What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. YouTube is the platform where you have to rank on search list if you have a new YouTube channel or you had been created a new YouTube channel. Because if you want to reach to your original audience destination, then you have to rank your YouTube channel on the search list. And today we are going to share with you how you can rank your new YouTube channel with some strategic important policies by applying on your YouTube channel. So, coming up.
Welcome back. So, we have 5 points to explain how you can rank your YouTube channel at a new time. Okay? Ranking your channel is very important because if you do not can't rank your channel on the YouTube algorithm search bar, then your audience can't watch your YouTube channel. Okay, so what is ranking? Now I am showing you how you can rank your channel, and at first I want to show you my channel, is it ranked or not. Okay, I am writing here creator fact. You can show creator fact, this is my channel and it's very ranked at first on the search engine. On that name we have also another channels, but my channel is the first list on our search bar. Although our channel is created on 5 August 2021 and we have just 6 videos, not more than that. Okay, so now we are going to explain 5 points about how to rank your YouTube channel as early as possible in the short time. Okay, at first, number 1, and the point number 1 is the hacks. Number 1 is channel customization. You can show here we are going to our channel and we customized our YouTube channel. We put here a cover picture, we put here a profile picture, we put our YouTube channel name and about section. We have customized our home page. You can see here our trailer is here and we have made some playlist for my another YouTube videos for individual variant of my videos. Okay, here is the playlist: YouTube channel customization, YouTube tips, YouTube tutorials, start a new YouTube channel, etc, etc. And I have customized my channel. Your channel customization is the very important thing for ranking your channel in the search engine. Okay, it is the first thing, and for that you have to follow your about section. Is it successfully completed, written by you? If you can't write a successful about section with searchable keywords, you can't do any ranking your YouTube channel. Okay, I have successfully completed my about section or channel disclaimer as you are watching. Okay, so number 2, write an effective about section. Okay, write an effective about section with your niche related searchable keyword. What is searchable keyword? Searchable keyword is that keywords what people are searching more than times and 1,000 times at a day or month or year. Like we are here search how to. We just write how to and then YouTube suggested us how to delete Instagram account, how to deactivate Facebook account, how to deactivate Instagram account, how to tie a tie, etc, etc. So this is a searchable keyword. You have to put here on your about section or your channel description searchable keyword related about section, or you have to read searchable keyword adjusting about section, which will rank your channel. And please note it that at first you try to on the first line your channel name you have to put on the about section, as you can see we use our channel name on the first word. Creator fact, share contents about digital creators guidance, video making guidance, YouTube, Facebook tips and advice, video editing, content strategies, etc, etc. So this is our category of keyword: video marketing, video making guidelines, YouTube and Facebook tips, video editing, content strategies. Everything's are a searchable keyword. And now how you can get searchable keyword I have already showed you, and without that you can use Google AdWords. Using Google AdWords you can go to the tools and settings and you can go to the keyword planner. After coming here you have to discover new keyword and then you have to select the country. We select all over the world and then all location. Now we are trying to like your channel is a tech channel. Okay, so you are making videos about mobile phone or cell phone unboxing or smartphone unboxing. So we write here smartphone. Okay, this is the keyword and get result. After giving get result, you have to select the time on which time you wanna get keyword which are searches for the time and what is the average monthly searches, 3-month changes, and your top of page beat high range or low range. Okay, for that we here last 12 months selected. If you want to last month you can select the last month. So we want to see last 12 months on that. Okay, so here is our keywords: smartphone 1 million to 10 million searches on last 12 months. So it's very high searchable keyword. And Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, Vivo V20, all that are more searchable keywords. Okay, so you can use your keyword about sections about searchable keyword with searchable keyword, so you can get more ranked on YouTube. Okay, so you try to strategic on about section writing. Okay, if you want to get more than high bid range on your searchable keyword, then you can click here and you will get high range or high click baitable searchable keyword on your YouTube channel, and that is Galaxy A21. It is the high range of top of page bid is $32. Okay, so it's the thing about the about section of YouTube channel ranking. So guys, number 3 is niche related channel name. When you are creating a YouTube channel, then you have to choose first your channel name, and before that you have to choose your niche or content category for your audience, and you have to select what kind of audience you want for your channel and what kind of video categories is perfect for your YouTube channel. Okay, after that you have to select the YouTube channel name, because the channel name is very important for the search ranking. Okay, like you are making videos about smartphone, you have to make your YouTube channel name smartphone likes or smartphone related keyword related. As we are making videos about creator or YouTube creator, video creator, YouTube marketer, etc, etc. For that we have choose our YouTube channel name is creator fact. On that is we are making facts or we are making subjects contents about creator for guidance for creator. Okay, so you have to select first your niche or content category or topic, then you have to select your channel name. And because if you want to rank your channel on the first page on the search list, you have to select a unique channel name. Okay, number 4, put searchable related channel keywords on your channel keyword settings. For that we have to go to our YouTube studio, and after that you have to go to the settings and that, and then you have to select channel icon, and then here you will see some keywords about your channel. What types of your channel? These keywords explain about your channel. These keywords tells to YouTube algorithm what about your channel and what kinds of contents you are sharing on your YouTube channel. Okay, so we have written here creator fact, creator fact, creator fact, creator fact. On the first line we have type individual system, our YouTube channel name, and then YouTube taste, YouTube earning, video editing, video making, and it is the same thing about keyword searching, what kind of keyword about your channel related, and then you have to put here the related keyword or tags for your channel. Then you have to save your channel settings from here. Okay, and number 5, you have to have channel contents on your channel. If you don't have any contents on your channel, if we go to our channel, you can see here we have contents. Okay, if you don't have any type of contents on your YouTube channel, your channel maybe can't search ranked on YouTube search bar. So if you want to rank on search bar, then you have to upload videos on your channel after doing these kinds of points. So I hope this video will really help you to rank your YouTube channel on YouTube algorithm, YouTube search bar, or your destination audience or your selected audience to get discovered on YouTube your channel. And I hope you will get success as much as possible, as early as possible time. Okay, I am not good at English, but I am trying to share my content to the worldwide friends. So pray for me and see you next time. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to get our next videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you are watching our videos from our Facebook page, please follow our Facebook page. So see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.